How to spot trade on BitNasdaq. Welcome to BitNasdaq, the new age of crypto trading. In a few simple steps, you will learn how to spot trade. The BitNasdaq interface. First, log in to your BitNasdaq account. Then click on Trade and then Spot. Here you can see that this is the order book section. The upper section shows the sell orders, and the lower section shows the buy orders. Here is the market list of all the supported trading pairs. You can select your desired crypto here. Here is the real-time market candlestick chart with indicators of the trading pairs. This section will show all the trends for your selected crypto trading pair. The spot trading. Limit order. This is where you can trade your desired crypto for a specific price. You can add the desired price at which you want to trigger your order and the amount of crypto which you are looking to buy. Market order. This is where you can trade crypto for the real-time market price value. You can enter the amount of USDT you are looking to spend, and you will purchase your desired crypto for the best market price. Trigger order. This feature enables you the advanced option of trading between two price points. Here you can add the trigger price, at which the trade will begin, and the market or limit price, from where your purchase price will not increase. You can use the same procedure for selling your desired crypto as well. Now here you can see your open orders and your order history. You also have the option to cancel your orders if you do not wish to proceed further with your desired trade. And now you have completed spot trading. Happy trading!